guys, welcome to another Beauty Stop episode. Today I'm here with Surbhi and we're here at SSBeauty Kurla for a very exciting challenge. Resham, you want to explain the challenge? Yes, so today we're doing another beauty quiz, and for this beauty quiz we have to first pick out our makeup look, and to do that we have to be asked questions. Shreya is going to be asking us questions. Shreya's already hidden like a couple of looks that we have looked at. Surbhi, you know what look you want to create.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for it.
If you get it,
So excited for this look, it's beautiful.
so Shreya's going to help us out by leading us to our picks of looks. So if we get the question wrong, she will not help us and we will just have to figure out our makeup looks ourselves.
PTM! PTM is the answer.
Surbhi's right.
God.
Yeah, I agree with her.
Cleanse, tone, moisturize.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Am I going the right way?
No? Oh my god, what does it look like?
Is it green? Yes. What does it look like? Is it a car? Green?
Wow! Yay! I got my look.
Oh my god, it's my turn. It has to be in this section.
This is not the right thing. Okay, let's go here. Okay, it's here somewhere for sure.
I found it. Yay! It's my look.
How does she know this?
It's D. I knew it. Absolutely need is a bronzer, so I am going to take this bronzing powder from Bobbi Brown. Then I am going to take a blush. So I'm going to take this off to Costa Rica face palette because it has everything in it. And a highlighter, blush. I got everything I need in 2 products.
I know this. I know this. It's Narciso Rodriguez for her. Yeah, for her.
Musk Noir.
Musk Noir, but I got it.
But you got it. Yeah.
Right. So for my eye makeup, I definitely need a nice winged eyeliner, but I do want to make it a little bit brown so that it completes the entire look properly. Diego Dalla Palma has a brown eyeliner, so we're going to add this eyeliner to the look alongside the very famous My Toy Boy mascara. I think this should help me complete a look and complete the beautiful trend that we are looking forward to.
Okay, so I have to pick all my eye products and I'm going to go directly to MAC because they have eyeshadow palettes that are going to help me create my look very easily. Yes, this is exactly what I need. Connect in color palette because it has all the shades. Okay, so all I need is a mascara and an eyeliner, which I have been wanting to try from this brand. So I'm going to take this Curling and Defining Mascara and I am going to take this eyebrow pencil. That's it.
I know this. Do we both know this? Okay, Paris Hilton.
Yeah, I just launched her fragrances at SSBeauty and Shopper Stop also.
Okay, so for my lips, I need to start with a base and a little bit of gloss. So I have come to Clinique because I find this chubby to be really interesting. It's called the Nourishingly Tinted Lip Balm. The chubby stick from Clinique in the shade 07 Super Strawberry. So I'll add that. I am now looking for a nice gloss, something called a crystal gel gloss. This lip gloss is going to go really well with my look.
Okay, for lips, I need 1 lip liner, a lipstick, and a gloss. So obviously I'm going to get the MAC Whirl lip liner. I'm going to take the Squirt lip gloss because this is plumping and it's amazing. And then I need a lip color, which I am going to try out these new lip velvets from ABH. And I'm going to take the shade Peach Amber. That's it. Mine is done. I'm so excited to create our look. Surbhi, are you ready?
Can I have my base makeup, please? Thank you.
Oh my god, Surbhi, I'm so glad you found this look. It's so perfect for you. It looks really good.
I'm so glad because it was so easy to put on and all the products were super apt for the look. But should we rate our look? So I give you, Resham, 11 on 10. You've done a very good job.
Whatever, Surbhi, what made
She looks very nice.
And Surbhi, you did a really good job. You normally don't do makeup.
Yeah, I should do makeup.
It's nice though. I really like it.
Oh my god, this was so much fun. Please tell us if you want us to do any more challenges.
And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to see all of our future videos, and leave a comment for any challenges that you want to see next time. Bye!